Welcome to Lucia Avenue, Unit B in the city of South Redondo Beach. This beautiful back house on a 2-on-1 lot is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car attached garage. Step into a large entryway with a spiral staircase up to the 2nd floor. The 1st bedroom is spacious with brand new 2-inch faux wood blinds and a sliding mirrored closet door. To the right is a washer dryer in the laundry room and direct access into the 2-car garage with built-ins. Down the hall a little further, you will find a closet for added convenience and a full bathroom with a shower tub enclosure. The 2nd bedroom has brand new carpet, 2-inch faux wood blinds, and a large sliding mirror closet door. The primary suite is quite spacious with a sliding door to the backyard, a large walk-in closet with recessed lighting, and a spacious full bathroom with separate tub and shower and 2 vanity sinks. The entire downstairs area of these 2 bedrooms and hallway is brand new carpet. As we step upstairs, you'll find a large window for added sunlight into the house. And a grand living room area with a custom fireplace, high ceilings with wood beams, 2-inch faux wood blinds, custom baseboards, and a dining area drop chandelier for more formal dining. Adjacent is the kitchen with beautiful hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, including the refrigerator, dishwasher, range, and microwave, tile countertops, onto a less formal dining area with a ceiling fan and a family room that is open to the balcony. This is also new carpet, and the spacious balcony faces the ocean and beautiful sunsets. Also on this level is a half bath for added convenience with tile countertops. And the entire house has been freshly painted. If interested in viewing, please check us out at jamico.com.